So guys, we're going to this valley over here, so we're gonna see what we're gonna find. Look here guys, so like terraces by the stone, so they use for giving offerings to over here to this part. So this part is more nice because have like three windows over here, like ornaments, like squares places. So okay guys, here is, so look, 1 2 3, this is the three ornaments. I think so this place it was for the three words, like a Inca cross. So look over here, Hanampacha, Caipacho, Cuipacha. So those all represent Hanampacha, Caipacho, Cuipacha. So it's very mystical. So maybe probably they put it here, the mummies or some idols to giving the offerings to all for the good energy. So guys, so we're gonna continue, and we see over there that's like a river. Look, over there looks like a frog. This is a natural rock, so it's close to the river, in the river. So look, the face, the body, the frog. So it's very interesting. In real life, you can appreciate much better. So we're going to continue this valley. So we're trying to find over there until this valley is. One lady tell me, you can see one Inka face in the rock. So let's invest in with me. So that's the frog. So that's the part. So that's whole the valley. So we're going to over there to investing. So let's see, we're gonna appreciate. Look, the waters. So this looks very powerful place to maybe offering to the water. And we can see some Inca walls. So we'll go continue to over there. So guys, that's the river. So we're going over there to find the Inka Face, so we can appreciate some Inca walls to over there. So guys, over there is the Temple of the Moon. So we coming from this valley. So we're going to continue to try to find the Inka Face. So guys, this is very nice view from here. So I'm very quiet. People not too much around here. So let's go. So guys, we finding another Waca, so I don't know, in the way. So look, this is perfect place if you want to meditation. So over here it looks like a tunnels. Look, oh my goodness, oh my gosh. So this is a very nice place. So most people I think so come in to make like offerings to the Mother Earth. Look the rocks. So it's a cover. So this tunnel you can see like a table, maybe for giving offering. So most people coming to put his lips all over here. So guys, it's very good place to, if you want to pray, get connection with the Mother Earth. So look, so guys, this parts make me exciting. So I think so I will come back and maybe make a small ceremony over here too. So guys, let's continue trying to find the Inka Face. Oh, we find some ships over here. Look. Buenos días, buenos días. Papá lindo, la cara del Inca, más arriba. Ya, papi, muchas gracias. Provecho con el almuerzo. So we find some local people. So he's saying is more over there the Inka Face. So cara del Inca. So we can see some sheets over here. Look. So guys, over here you can see like many other stones, looks like a seat. So it's very cool place. So we had to continue to find the Inka Face. So we can find one large Inca wall. Look guys. So we was down, that's over there the ships. So we continue. So guys, we just got here to Cusco. So this is the entrance. So we're gonna see the Inka Face and they're over there. So guys, from here I can see the Inka Face in the rock. So guys, I hope so you can appreciate. Look, over here in the mountain you will appreciate the Inka Face. So let's go guys. It's very mystical. So from here I really see the Inka Face. So they are in one rock and under the ground. So looks incredible, buddy. So this part I was never coming before, but it's my first time. So it's cool guys. So when you come in to Cusco, you want to make this tour. So this tour actually we can spend with resting or with talking all over. So like a half day. So like 4 hours, depends what you want to do here. So, but I will recommend this place from here. So let's see the Inka Face. Look in the mountain. That's the face. Look at that, guys. So we had to be more close, trying to appreciate whole this part. So guys, can you see the face? Look. The eye, nose, lips, they looks like having a chullo, the hat, the Inca's hat. So it's very cool, buddy. So my respect here. So guys, that's the perfect angle. We can see the Inka Face over there in the rock. Look. So that's the rock, the Inka Face. And over there we can appreciate some Inca walls and other stuff too. So over here we can see like a window, so maybe it's for giving offerings like to Pachamama. So all this place we're being, Temple of the Moon, and this place is more mystical, it's more relation. So it's more cosmovision with the Andean theology, Andean beliefs. So guys, this is perfect angle, and you can appreciate a natural rock, the Inca rock. So guys, if you come in, you should come here and connecting with this person. So guys, that's so perfect angle of this part. So guys, let's invest in all this place. So that's on stairs. So we're gonna go to the top, but we're gonna see all we can appreciate under here. So guys, we can appreciate also other places, like 4 places, maybe looks like a windows, something like that. So this place looks more ceremonial. Look at that here. So over here, that's the altar. You can make offering to Mother Earth, Pachamama. So guys, this place is very powerful. So guys, we're gonna go up the stairs and we see how it looks from the top. It's very accident this place, but we had to be careful. So guys, we are in the top. I am here with my company, agency. So guys, if you come in Cusco, look for us. Aini Smart Expedition for you. So guys, we are in the last part, so we finished with all this tour. So guys, I hope so might like you, and follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and now in YouTube. So guys, thank you for seeing my video, and see you in the next video.